Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video for you. We have a brand new camera. I think you could have realized that from the title, no? And we bought it in a very nice small shop in the Fortune town here in Bangkok, and this place had an amazing bundle deal, and people who are working there are so nice and so polite. So we are really happy that we have managed to give them some business. I will link their social media in the description box below, so if you are here in Bangkok you can check them out. They're also selling some second-hand cameras and lenses, and the entire store is very hipster, I would say. Okay, so as I have mentioned before, and as you could have seen from the title, we have a new Hero 10. This is my first GoPro actually, and I know that it's not the newest camera, and I'm aware that the new one will be released probably in September this year, but this camera had an amazing review, so we decided to give it a try, and this will be our action camera of choice. Prior to purchasing the camera, we were obviously looking into prices, and majority of places had them around 16,500 baht. However, at this place we found it for 14,500, including a couple of freebies that I will be showing you. And now, very exciting. Okay, let's open it up and see, first of all, the freebies. What did we get? Very nice. Oh, cool. So we got a compass, because this is actually an as you can see, outdoor edition. So it has some gadgets that can help you while you are camping or just being outdoors. So we have that one, and we got a hat, GoPro hat, so I can go fishing. And this small pouch is very nice. You can put your camera there as well. And another thing is this waterproof bag. A lot of compartments, a lot of zips. Very nice. So this came for free alongside the most important thing, which is ta-da! The camera. We have opened it in the store just to make sure that everything is there and not come home and then we don't have the camera. So we wanted to make sure that everything is in place, just to save some time of going away and coming back. Okay, so this is the case. You can see, quite sturdy, quite elegant. And once you open it, oh, this is what is inside. So we have some GoPro stickers. I don't know where we will place them, but they're cute. And as well, the QR code for the application, and just a quick setup for the camera. There is a booklet just with instruction. Let's see if they have Serbian. Oh yeah, they have Serbian as well, along with other languages. Very good. So I will be reading into this. So as you can see here, there is a small pocket, like a mesh pocket, a cable, and a battery. I guess we will be needing at least one more. just for the start, and some of the accessories just to set it up. Now the most important product, if I can take it out. Camera is here. I love the blue letters. Nothing else is inside, as you can see, so you can just put it in, store it, and it's quite sturdy and your camera will not be damaged. So this is how it looks like. I never had an action camera before, so I'm not quite sure what to expect. Of course, I have been watching a lot of YouTube tutorials and instructions, so I guess that will be my guide. So let's see if we can turn it on. Will it be working? Blonde. You need to put battery inside. Alright, so I will play a little bit of a B-roll now so that you can see the camera up close and personal, and after that we will be looking into some of the footage, because this is the most important thing. So let's roll the B-roll. Alright, so that was unboxing of our new action camera. I really hoped you liked it, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, since we have a couple of trips lined up for June. First Serbia, then Malta, perhaps Macedonia, and then we will be back in Thailand. So hopefully we will have some nice travel vlogs for you. All right, have a good one, and I will see you next time. Bye.